Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your iPhone or iPad for single AirPod use. Open Settings and confirm Bluetooth is enabled on the device. Next, enable mono audio under Accessibility to route sound to one AirPod. Place the single AirPod in its charging case with the lid open. Keep the AirPod charging for at least 5 minutes before pairing to ensure it has power. Stay within 3 feet of the device while pairing to prevent connection interruptions. To pair the single AirPod, first open the case lid and hold it close to your device. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. On your device, go to Bluetooth and tap the AirPod's name when it appears in the list. If pairing fails, close the lid, wait 5 seconds, then repeat the setup button hold for 15 seconds to reset the AirPods and try again. If the missing AirPod might be nearby, open the Find My app and look for its last location. Play a sound if the Find My map shows the AirPod within Bluetooth range and it has battery life. If you cannot recover the earbud, contact Apple support for single replacement availability and options. Always check firmware by connecting the AirPod and viewing settings General about to ensure compatibility. Keep your case serial number handy when you call for faster service.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.